Exciting, the power of the program. I discussed this last May 12, just to give you a glimpse. Program is so powerful. Program is very duplicable. Program is a system. Everybody say system. Program is a system of duplication, of discipline, of giving people or your leaders a way to be promoted so that they could see our company, our business from a different perspective, which is even more lucrative than the usual presentation. What do I mean next? For a network organization, next, program is a set of discipline so that you could reach your targeted goals, okay, which should be accomplished from time to time. This is also a way or a means of promoting leaders from a different perspective. What do I mean? For you to appreciate this, some have heard this, okay, last Friday, in Global Marketing Plan, we're all familiar with the marketing plan, am I right? We have retailing, direct referral bonus, unilevel, star step. Okay, did you appreciate the double direct referral bonus? Would you like a sequel? I can't hear you. Would you like a sequel? Secret. Watch out, secret. Okay, next. You're very much familiar with this. We call this the power of two. Everybody say power of two. If one would join and refer two people who would also join and train these two people to refer two as well, and then the two would duplicate the same system all over again, month after month, even though you only referred two to the business, at the end of 1 year scenario, you would be earning something like, let's show them, 3.9 million total income in 1 year's time. Okay, and all you need to do is buy 12,980 worth of products. Are you familiar with this? Now, instead of looking our marketing plan at this perspective, why not add more discipline? Why not add more goals? Why not make them see and appreciate the marketing plan, the bigger volume of sales, the bigger number of or amount of income that they can potentially earn if they would just add discipline to the program? What do I mean next? What if instead of referring to on your first month, what if you, next slide, what if you refer 8? Everybody say 8. Everybody say get 8. Look at your seatmate and say get 8. What does it mean? You sign up one person per week. That's very viable. That's very feasible. You talk to people every day and you sign up one person per week. One person who will be one of your 8 new leaders whom you train, whom you'll sponsor properly, whom you'll mentor and coach and guide them every day so that they too could learn the system and the program and they could refer 8 as well. So on your first 2 months, somebody say 2 months. On your first 2 months, the goal is to recruit or refer 8 or get 8 people. Am I clear? And if those 8 new people after your 2 months would get 8 as well, now you have 64. If those 64 would get 8, then you'll have 512. If that 512 would duplicate after 2 months, here's where the magic begins. Here's where the miracle of leverage and exponential growth begins. Look at the income. On your first 2 months, you made 8,000 pesos from the paying bonus, plus another 8,000 pesos from the direct referral bonus. Look at another 2 months after that, 64,000. A good amount of money. But after 2 months again, look at the volume, 512,000. Is it worth looking at? Is it worth practicing the Get 8 program? But look at month 6, month 7, month 8, month 9, month 10, month 11, and month 12. Because there are already thousands of people coming into your organization and your account is flashing out already every day. Would you like to have flash out every day? Would you like to have flash outs every day? That's 32,000 pesos per day flashing out every day because thousands of people are coming in every day. They're making 960,000 per month. 32,000 pesos per day times 30 days, 960,000 pesos. Good or very good? And each month you're flashing out already 960,000. On the next 6 months of the latter part of your year, if you're gonna do the Get 8 program, you're making flash outs every day on your one account, 960,000, 960,000, 960,000, 960,000, 960,000. For a total income in 1 year of how much? 6.3 million. Would you like to make 6.3 million in 1 year? Get 8. Everybody say Get 8. Now here's the trick. Here's the professionalism. Here's the experience that I have. Here's the message. Do not promote the program in a 1-year scenario. Promote it on a 3-year scenario so that they could appreciate the bigger number of income that they can potentially earn. Am I clear? Do not promote the program on a 1-year scale. Look at this. Look at this. If you could make 6.3 million from a tiny investment of purchasing products worth 12,980, of course, the 6.3 million is so much bigger to appreciate and to look at than the 12,980 measly investment. Am I right? But look, the same passion, the same effort, the same number of people, the same technology, the same program, but the only difference is the way you start with the system. Instead of investing in the 12,980, Global Bank, one account. Next slide, please. Why not get three accounts? 12,980, 12,980, 12,980, that's 38,000. The same system, get 8 on your first 2 months. Claim those 8 to get 8 in their 2 months as well. After a year, all of your 3 accounts are already flushing. Within 1 year, guys, your total income is not 6.3 million. Your total income is how much? First account, 6.3. Second account, another 6.3. Third account, another 6.3 million for a total of 19 million in 1 year's time. Do you want to make 19 million? What do you need to do? Get 8. Get 8. Again, same amount of effort, same time spent on our business. Same time spent going to the office, buying products, talking to your downloads, talking to your people, coaching, mentoring your people. What if you invest not on 1, not on 3, but on 7 accounts? Next slide, please. On 7 accounts, same discipline, same program, same system. Get 8. How many do we need to get? 8. In your first 2 months, sign up 1 person a week, duplicate it. Within the next 2 months, teach, train, coach them well. After 1 year, how much will you be making? All of your 7 accounts are flashing out. That's a total of 44.4 million pesos in 1 year. Do you want to earn 44.4 million? What car are you driving with that amount of income? Are you excited with that amount? Are you excited with that amount? Again, do not promote the program on a 1-year scale. You are belittling the power of the industry. You are belittling the power of multiple exponential growth. Promote it 2 to 3 years time. Remember that. Promote it 2 to 3 years time. Ask me why. Look at the board, guys. Look at the slide. Next. If you will promote it on a 1-year scale, yes, it's already a huge amount of income. On your first year with 1 account, 6.3 million, 3 accounts, 19 million, 7 accounts, 44.4 million. It's already lucrative, it's already sweet, it's already attractive, it's already alluring. Why not make it even more attractive? Why not make it even more alluring, sweeter, better, more powerful, more captivating? Because when prospects would see the bigger number, they don't have the money now. I tell you, they will get you the money tomorrow or this week and they will sign up. Because they see the bigger picture. Because they know that numbers won't lie. If you repeat the system, do it on the second year. If you are flashing out on the last 6 months of your first year, chances are you are flashing out as well on the second and on the third year. Am I right? If this keeps on continuing, duplicating, getting 8 by getting 8 by getting 8, on a 3-year plan, get 8 in a 3-year program, with one account, your maximum potential just for binary, even without the star snap and the uni-level income, guys, your total income can be 29 million. 29 million. What can you do with 29 million? Can you do a lot? Of course. It could be a nice house. It could be a nice vacation. It could be a nice car. But with 3 accounts, how much can you make? 89 million. What kind of house will you be having if you earn that much in less than 3 years' time or in 3 years' time? 7 accounts, maximum potential income, getting 205 million pesos. Are you excited with this? So every time you need to invite people to your business, you invite them like this. Hey, I have a 3-year plan. Let's meet and let's sit down. What is it? You can make 205 million in 3 years' time. I'm only looking for 8 serious people. If you're lazy, I don't need you. If you're not coachable, I don't need you. If you're not trainable, if you're not willing to learn, I don't need you. I don't want your money. I'm only looking for serious, trainable, coachable people who would like to make hundreds of million in 2 to 3 years' time. If that's the person you're talking to, they'll sign up. They'll make way for the money. They'll make way for the packages, whether 1, 3, or 7 accounts. Am I clear? Look at the bigger number. And all you need to do is get how many? Get 8. Get 8. Train those 8. Duplicate yourself to those 8. Because the bigger number will crash the objections. The bigger number will crash the rejections. If they don't want to sign up, it's okay. It's not part of my 8. I'm not looking for 100. I'm only looking for 8. I'm not looking for 1,000 sign-ups. I'm only looking for 8 willing, coachable, trainable people. And I'm sure within the next 2 months, I can get those 8. Are you ready for this program? You discipline yourself. Doc, in our group, we don't have a program. Then create one for yourself. Create one for your group. It may not be get 8 by 8 program. It can be get 4, it can be get 10, it can be get 6. No matter what program is, it's way, way better than the usual presentation. Create a program. I tell you, if you create a program, whether online or offline, your group will grow exponentially. Okay, next. So memorize this. The program. What does the program provide? The program provides targeted goals. Clear, targeted goals. 8 sign-ups in 2 months. 1 sign-up per week for 2 months. And then train your 8 to get 8 as well. Make them laser focused with that goal. Okay? Make them laser focused with that idea. Make them fall in love. Make them believe in the Get 8 program the way you fell in love and believe the Get 8 program. Because if you're promoting a program, you now have a clear vision of what to do, of how to follow it up, of how to duplicate it. I have done this, what do I need to do next? It's very clear, 100% crystal clear what you need to be doing every step of the way. It promotes excitement. As soon as your leader gets their 8, you showcase him or you showcase her. Look at my leader. She was able to get 8 in 2 months' time. If we were able to do it, so can you. So can you. So can you. Showcase them. It creates excitement every now and then. Because if they were able to get 8, they know. If their 8 would get their 8, then they're on their way to your millions of income. This will be very, very staggering and exciting. It provides short and long-term motivations. Because you see your group getting momentum. You see your group getting bigger by the day, by the week, by the month. In the beginning, you might be occupying probably 10% of the seminar room. After a few weeks, you're occupying 50% of the seminar room. After a few months, you're occupying 100% of the seminar room. It's your entire group already. And it's been happening for quite some time, even without the program. The more that it will happen with the program that you will create. What else? The program separates a networker from a professional networker. A networker will just sign you up. Okay, I'll sign you up. I'm your sponsor. This is the way you invite. You attend the NDO 5 times. You attend the presentation 5 times. And then you recruit people. Okay, see me in the office. Text me. That's a normal, traditional networker. A professional networker is like this. Hey, let's meet and sit down. I have a customized personal plan for your success within the next 3 years. And it's called the Get 8 program. And when you sat down with your leader, you discuss what kind of house do you want if you're earning 200 million pesos in 3 years' time? What kind of cars? Not car, cars. What kind of cars will you be driving in 3 years' time if you will earn 200 million pesos in 3 years' time? And your leader would appreciate you. Your leader would say, wow, my upline has a plan for me. My upline is giving me a discipline so that I could achieve success within 3 years' time. My upline is coaching me to be better, to be sharp, to be skilled so that I can achieve my dreams in 3 years' time. They would appreciate you more if you present to them the program. Because they know that their uplines have plans for them. That's why I mentioned last Friday, networkers are the best lovers in the world. Do you agree? Do you agree? Why did I say that? In a local language, sa downline nga may plano eh, sa'yo pa kaya? Tama. If with their downlines, they have plans for them to achieve a successful life, more so to their girlfriend, more so to their wife. Am I right? So if you want to fall in love, if you want to marry somebody, look for a networker. They will have plans for you, short-term and long-term plans. They will have programs for you. Okay? The program differentiates the network organization from the others. What do I mean? Sooner or later, you'll be inviting prospects. And they'll be saying, oh, I heard about AIM Global already 5 years ago, but I did not join. You can reply by saying, well, you haven't heard it from me. Well, you haven't heard our program. Well, you haven't heard of my 3-year program wherein you can make 205 million in 3 years' time. Now the prospect would be interested. Now the prospect would be leaning their bodies towards you. Now the prospect would be signing up, even if they have been presented before, because they have never heard about the program. They have never been presented a plan, a program where they could make 205 million pesos in 3 years' time. Does this excite you? It's definitely exciting. It's looking at the opportunity from a different perspective. Because other group doesn't have this kind of program. Other groups are beginning to create this program. I tell you, make a 3-year plan. Make a 3-year program. It provides USP or unique selling proposition for the network organization. What else? It edifies the network organization because the uplines are being edified as someone who thinks a lot, who are creative and innovative enough to create a program not for themselves but for their downlines to achieve more. Would you like that to happen? Doubling, tripling, quadrupling your income. Would you like that to happen? It provides a huge runaway, leverage, residual income. People would be getting 8 by 8. Then we're filling up the seminar rooms. Then we're filling up the seminar rooms of all the branches, of all the BCOs, locally and internationally. Because it's one way for you to present the business. You present the product, the marketing plan, and the program. And when you present the program, you tell them the program is not for everyone. The program is only for serious. Everybody say serious. The program is only for serious, coachable, trainable people. And if they want to earn that much income, then they're willing to be trained. If they're willing to be trained, they're willing to invest that much of money being bought with this particular products, then they could fully understand the Get 8 program. Are you excited with the Get 8 program? Next. Remember that. Next slide, please. Get 8 in 3 years. Get 8 in 3 years. Not Get 8 in 1 year. Not Get 8 in 2 years. Get 8 in 3 years program. Create a specific platform, system, program, project, depending on how you may call it, for your organization, for them to keep on being motivated, so that they could grab and grasp their dreams as soon as time possible. Next, we are launching countries. Within the next 2 months, we're launching Tanzania. Tanzania has around 50 million population. Are you excited with Tanzania? We're also launching Rwanda. This is where I'm excited. We're launching another country in Africa, the Democratic Republic of Congo, with 80 million population. Are you excited with this? Your network crossing boundaries, crossing countries, crossing nationalities and races. We're also launching South Africa. We have a representative from South Africa. Halala! We're also launching Oman, Qatar, Zambia, Mongolia, and of course, Indonesia with 260 million population. Are you excited about this launching, ladies and gentlemen? Are you excited with this expansion? We're excited with this. Can you imagine if you will use the program, the Get 8 program, and you are in a startup company? You are in a startup company, and your group is expanding in the provinces, and your company doesn't even have an office in the provinces. So how will the company support you? Do you understand? The great thing about AIM is that we are established, we are stable, we have presence in many countries. So if you decide to be serious and promote the Get 8 program, the company is here to support your expansion. Online or offline, field or Facebook, we can support you with that. And with the program that you'll be launching, as I've mentioned, whether 4x4, 3x3, 10x10, or 8x8, whether you're promoting AP or you're promoting GP, it doesn't matter. As long as you have a program that you will focus on promoting. Exciting countries, watch out for these countries. Okay, the first one would be Tanzania in Dar es Salaam. We already have an office that's being renovated. Hopefully within the next 1 month, it's completely furnished. We even have representative from Tanzania. Can I hear some noise from the people from Tanzania? Great people. Okay? In Nigeria, we're expanding our branches in Wari and Uyo. Am I right? We're launching 2 more branches in Nigeria. Okay, so from from a 6 or 7 company-owned branches, it will become 7 or 8 or 9 before the year ends, as we expand all over the Nigerian market. Okay, so we're conquering Africa, one country at a time. Okay, because the whole of the African continent, if you would combine them, it's around 1.3 billion population. Okay, 1.3 billion, ladies and gentlemen. It's like India, it's like China. Okay, and we have touched the hearts of the greatest leaders and networkers in Africa, and they are in this room right now with our international delegates. African delegates, make some noise! In Pakistan, we have an office already in Lahore, am I right? And we are launching one in Karachi. Okay, as we expand in other countries as well, we're also developing and expanding in Pakistan, so watch out for more developments in the Middle East. So watch out for these countries. Next. Okay, that's it. We're excited with new development as we expand the market, with new innovative products, as we expand the market in opening newer countries. We're expanding the potential, the limitless potential of our capability to earn so much income and to help so much people with our wonderful products and our wonderful opportunity to have and to make their lives better, to make them earn, for them to have more time with their family, for them to have more time with their loved ones, for them to make AIM Global their home. Because AIM Global is the home of the champions. Thank you very much. God bless our company.
Yes, once again, will you palakpak? Go ahead.